everyone, I'm going to be the camera person for this video. So, YouTube ni Karaje.
Hello. Hello guys, welcome to the video. Today we're just gonna show you around town, different places that we have here, you know, like tourist spots. Just show you town center as well and a bit of the landmarks and everything else, I guess, that we come across during the trip. Here is the gym that I've been to in the past videos. And the one near here, like right behind the gym, is the park. Yeah, there's a lot of old establishments here, old hotels like this one over here. Very old. Train stations going into the street where the train station is, which is the one here to the right. Let's go around. There's the bar station here. Yeah.
Bye bye.
Apa sih? Ini pa. Alright guys, nako sa town karon. I'm in the town center as they call it. Manig lugar nga daghay mga shops bisag unsa. Manilikod sa McDonald's dire, na pub dira, na pet center. Yeah. Mingaw ron kay weekdays man. Kami ragtaw. McDonald's. Ata sa sentro sa town center ron. Masyag crossroad. Crossroad dira. May mga baliganan o mga cellphone or kung sa tuwa pa mga plans na Vodafone, na EE, na 3 matong mga na O2, which is this one here. Ay mga mga games gamer ko. Mo check out lang. Ito Final Fantasy 7. Problema lang Xbox mo ko, wala ako sa PS4. Manay barigianan na mga sapatos dire. This is where we buy our shoes, well, mostly.
2,000 years later.
And that's the town hall. There we go. It's one of the oldest buildings here in our town as well. There's a lot of old buildings. That's where the supermarket was from my previous vlogs. There we go. And that's the shipyard there, the one I showed you earlier.
They're making a submarine. It's over there, but we can't see it because it's submerged underwater.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. See? I see it.
Wait, what?
See?
Oh yeah, it is. All the buildings here are a part of the big. Yeah, here, left and right. warehouses where to store the materials and everything. So yeah, we're going to an island right now. You can see the sea to our left and right. The nice houses to our left, very uniform, I would say.
This is flooded right now.
Oh no!
Whoa, look at the waves.
Very nice here.
I don't know if you can see, but there's windmills. Oh yeah.
We're facing right now. The sea that we're facing right now is the Irish Sea. Although there's an island beyond there. I think it's called Isle of Man. Is it?
No, it's Ireland.
No, it's Isle of Man and
Oh, I
then
don't-
Ireland. Yeah. Well, try to put a picture so that you'll know what we're talking about.
Why are you shouting? Very rocky. It's not sand at all.
Go here. Yeah, drag.
I know.
Balik.
Wow.
I should have brought my jacket. Spend their time here. We're just going to a playground. Our dad swam here before back in 2018. He ended up rushing into the sea because he missed swimming in the sea.
This is the playground. It's quiet right now because it's Wednesday and there's school. I can see you properly, but
Really?
there's windmills over there, but you can't see it because they're so small. But they go all the way over there. And more over there.
Alright guys, pupunta muna kami ng KFC. We're just lazy to cook at the moment, so Henry's treating us to KFC. Walay rice silang kondire KFC. French fries ug mashed potato. Henry, huh? Show it. KFC. No rice. No unlimited gravy.
Got rice at home.
Wait, how much did we pay again? So 26 pounds 96.